Mississippi wouldn't have clouds if it wasn't for airplanes. Just remember that. I've been watching them all day. How come there's no, all these states that are passing all of these? Look at them all. Look at all these. How come these states that are passing all of these no chemtrail ordinances, how come none of them have shoot down orders in their requirements? Why isn't it that upon discovery, the National Guard, which is a state entity, isn't up there taking these birds out of the sky? Why is that? Ask yourself.